Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review for June 2nd, 2024. As you know, I've stayed bearish stocks here looking for still lower. During the week, I showed the Wyckoff wave chart showing where you can see OP, which is volume, going to new highs, while price is below previous highs with an overbought technometer. So that was definitely a bearish setup, and things have been pretty weak. We did get a recovery Friday in the Dow and Wyckoff wave type stocks. Technometer 48.48, so I still think we'll see lower prices in the weeks ahead. Wyckoff wave new index, same type of thing, sideways for the last week. Technometer now is up to 49.44, so again, I'm bearish, looking for lower. Wyckoff wave growth index, same type of thing. Mostly sideways for the week. Technometer 46.9, but let's look for lower prices. SPY, I think we've made some type of B-wave secondary top up there. Again, Friday we had a nice reversal, but I think we'll retrace that in the coming week. Technometer is overbought at 53, so let's look for lower prices. TLT, I was looking for ABC lower, something below that 90.45. That's actually where we closed Friday, but we did get a nice breakdown there into Wednesday's low. Technometer really only got down to about 43, so I'm not really long the TLT. I am for some mutual fund strategies that I do, but did not get long here, and Technometer's at 50. So we're going to watch this coming week and see what we can do. I talked about crude oil coming down to a buy in the XLE. Crude had a rally early in the week and then sell pressure the rest of the week. We had mentioned that we would be a buyer of XLE last week, and we did do that. For our pro traders, we were a buyer down there. I believe the price was 90.80. Friday, we had a solid rally out of the lows. So again, I think that was low, and the crude oil is heading to new highs. Gold, I talked about maybe a shakeout down there to 210 to get rid of weak longs before turn higher. Friday was the lowest close for the week. So let's look for a little bit lower gold and silver before we rebuy those and look for higher prices there as well. Not much to add with gold futures nor silver. Silver had a nice breakdown there Thursday, Friday. Let's look for a little bit lower. Dollar, I've talked about staying short, looking for that wave D down. I still think that's the case. Stay short the dollar. Bitcoin, I talked about an ABC rally finishing up there at that 70,000 plus. Last week, that was the case. We did break down. We came down to that 66.8 level again, 66.4. That's a breakdown level if that gives away. But with stocks looking lower, I do think Bitcoin could come down here and maybe see 62.5 or so if those lows do get taken out up there at 66.4, 66.8. Same type of thing on Ethereum. I talked about that rally having no volume after the ETF being approved. You can see here, blue line, no volume on that rally. There I got the red sell arrow. So again, I think Ethereum could have a breakdown here short term and give us a better entry point. And Apple, I talked about a secondary top here last week. We're still at those levels. I do look for Apple to roll over here, technometer 53.38. Good luck trading this week.